Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you what services can you get from your IMEI number of your REALME 14 Pro on the IMEI.info website. So to get your IMEI number, you just have to dial this number right here, which is in the bold blue text here, and then enter the IMEI.info website and enter your IMEI number right here. You'll get some basic information about your phone. You can also press the full device specification to see the full device specification. You can also expand the info if you want. In here you have the basic checks, which are the REALME country registration date, blacklist simple check, eSIM compatibility check, and these all things except the MAC address check and the carrier lookup are done only from your IMEI number, but the MAC address check you can also check it in your about phone section, so don't worry. And the carrier lookup, you just have to enter your phone number. In here you can also pay a couple of bucks to perform a premium blacklist check if you need it. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.